We're here at Auto Hub BGC. Early morning Wednesday. We were invited to join a breakfast ride with none other than the PNP Chief General Carlos. So yeah, we just wait for them. Medyo maaga pa, 5:45, 6 o'clock ang call time. So I'm gonna continue the vlog later, alright? Baba na lang ako. Rolling na tayo, going to Batangas. Breakfast ride with Chief PNP. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go, Jam. Okay, let's go. Okay. Skyway bound to SLEX. Staggered formation. Chill ride. Alright guys, see you later. Alright, so we're ready at SLEX. Kanina ang instructions before we left BGC was sa fast lane, don't go over 120, staggered formation, and keep your braking distance. Yun ang sabi ni Chief PNP General Carlos. So steady pace kami, 100, 120, chill ride lang. Let's enjoy the beautiful morning. It's holiday today, December 8th. Feast of Mama Mary Immaculate. Alright, so I'll catch you again later. Let's go! Alright, so almost pa-exit na tayo ng SLEX, and then after naman start all. There in front is General Carlos, Chief PNP. So kita nyo naman nasa harap ko is Chino. Sobrang behave niya ngayon. Shout out Chino. Shout out Jam, shout out sino pa ba, Boss Kylo, shout out Angelo, shout out Boss Terence, at shout out Ninong Ruel. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Merry Christmas. So ayan, approaching tall RFID. Sila kasi magkakasya. So let's see. Huwag kang humarang, kuya. Pinapag-umaw mo sa kanan, babang lumit na eh. Sorry. Alright, so may mga split tayo sa ano, split tayo sa toll. Hindi masyado matagal. Alright. Alright. Naka-exit na tayo ng SLEX. We're going to Star Toll na exit at Tanawan. So ginagawa nila every toll, nagsa-stop. Tapos binibilang ni HPG yung riders kung kompleto pa. So that's nice. Magandang i-adapt yun sa ano, sa mga group rides. Alright, papasok tayo ng Star Toll. There's Chief PNP Carlos with yung naka-claim na helmet. Si boss Chief PNP. Low balance. Alright, head count again. Alright. So ayan, around 20 plus all Triumph except for yung mga kala Chief PNP na motor. Alright, let's go. Exit tayo ng ano, Tanawan, I think Tanawan. Then from there maiksi na lang ata for isa tayong mag-breakfast. About chill ride. Woo! Chill ride. Nothing beats early morning chill ride. Sarap. Mas malamig-lamig ngayon. I think mag-exit. Right, so Tanawan exit. Okay. See you later. Alright, so turn right tayo dito daw. Naka-ready yung mga pulis. Okay, so regroup again. tapos go straight. Alright. Squad, we're near na the place for breakfast. Kaya na, turn right. Hindi looban na eh, so I think ito na. Yeah, we're here. Bamboo restaurant, lapit lang. Alright, so we're here. Siguro mga 2-3 kilometers lang away from the toll. Alright, ang ganda dito nice. Hop. Para masarap picturean dito Tanawan, Batangas. TOP, TTCP combined core group. That's Jam, parents of Minokawa, Boss Carlo, Jam, Angelo, Boss Ruel. Alright, breakfast lang and then basta, hili ko mga kasama namin iba. Ganda ng place look, perfect. Peace. Breakfast done, ride home na. Dito ko naputulin yung video. So breakfast ride with the Chief PNP General Carlos done. Sarap na ride. Going home na, so it's all of us. So guys, again, thank you for watching. God bless. It's almost Christmas, another 3 weeks na lang. Be safe everyone, do your shopping na, pero ingat-ingat. Please observe pa rin yung minimum health protocol natin. Alright, so guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also hit that notification bell for our future videos. See you on the next one, guys. Thank you. Peace.